Hello. Hi. First of all, accept my apologies. Actually, my laptop has some issues, so I am recording it from screen, a mobile screen. So I hope it will make sense and you will create your own. Simply search for Process Builder. Go to Process Builder. Okay. Now click on New. Continue with Process Builder. Select the name of choose the name of Process Builder. I can say automation task. API name will automatically generate, and the process starts with a record changes because we have to trigger it or fire it when some record changes. So save. Next, we have to add object. In object, we have to select contact because we have to update that object field. So contact. It shows because I have already created an other object, so it gives me an warning. So ignore it. Just when record is created or edited, and click save. Next step is to add criteria. So in criteria we have to choose when checkbox is clicked. Click mean its value true. So I am selecting checkbox. Choose. Because it's a boolean type, so it's if the value of checkbox becomes true, then it will run. Give the name of criteria, for example, you can say it any name. Now save this. Okay, so now next step is to add action. Action means what action we need to perform when checkbox is true or checkbox is checked. So we have to update records, name update, pick list, and in record type there will be two options. Select the contact record that started your process, or select record related. Here I can elaborate this thing. If we want to update the same objects field, for example, if you want to update the contact field, so then we will go with first option. But in this scenario, we have to update another object, which is contact object. Which is account object. So we have to go with second option. Next, go with account ID because IDs are unique in all organizations, so we can find Next, here we will select account ID. Okay, in account ID, sorry, first we go with account ID. After that, in next step, contacts, and just select, sorry, not contact, account ID, pick list, and select one. Value will be 3. So save it and activate it. Here is activation button. Okay, now go to our sales object. Go to contacts. For example, I am selecting this contact, seen Forbes, or its account name is Edge Communication. So just a minute. I have to check this and save this. Okay, now go to accounts, edge communication. You can see that it will auto populate the pick list 3 value. Okay, just for your interest, we can go with another contact. So go to contacts. I can say that let's create an account and a contact brand new, so you will better understand. So I am going to accounts, create new. So we are giving it, let's say, test account. Active. All other fields are optional, and we do not need to fill all these items. And you can check that there is in pick list it's option 1 auto selected. So there are 3 options, option 1, 2 and 3. So option 1 is auto selected. So which fields have a red mark, it means it has mandatory fields, so we have to fill these fields. Okay, just create. Okay, now our test account has been created. Okay, you can see that there is in the pick list option 1 is selected. Okay, now go to contacts, create a new contact. Oh, sorry. Salutation, Mr. First name test, last name contact. Here we can choose account name. So we have created account first. So in search test account, we have selected test account. So it will links with contact object. So all other options are optional. So we just create this contact. Okay, now go to details. Sorry, my headset.